And the same thing is true of intestacy in the sense that it's a category you're in and you may not even know it. You might not know you're intestate even though you are. And let me tell you this, and I'll tell you for sure, if you don't have a will, you are intestate. Now what's the significance of that? What does it mean that you're intestate? What it means is that you don't have a will, and it doesn't mean that all your assets will go to the government when you pass away. But what it does mean is that you don't have an estate plan, but the government of Illinois has an estate plan for you. And that's the really interesting part. The more interesting part is that government estate plan for you is probably not what you want. It's not exactly what you're looking for to make you happy in your estate. Let me tell you, it sets out who can be the administrator of your estate, how your assets are distributed, and just as an aside, there's a really interesting one that just about nobody would want. That is when you die without a will. The law says that if you're married and you have children, your spouse doesn't get everything. Your assets are split between your spouse, who gets her share, and your kids, who get their share. And it's actually awful if your kids are minors, because as minors, like we said, they can't control property. So if you die without a will and you're married, half of the property in your name goes to your wife, but the other half goes to your children. And if they're minors, nobody can get at it. They're held under a guardianship until they turn 18. So that's part of the estate plan that the state of Illinois has for you. It's called intestacy. It's a legal status you're in, although you may not know it. And you probably don't want all the aspects of that plan. So intestacy is probably not everything you want.